Okay. You know, I've got a new Xbox because the old one, the first one broke. I got that required service. Oh well. This is in better condition, which is a good thing because I've been playing this for more than 4 days. It's only the past 4 days for an old one. Doesn't really matter, but thank you. And did you know that I read on somewhere I was on the Monkey Ball, these some disc servers in Discord. I saw someone show a picture of the you playing got pointing the players pointing the whale to be put the whale as a playable character and using playing as the whale. Because super whaleable. Dr. Batman, oh no, he's gonna be creepy. They don't be like, he's gonna be like Harvey Weinstein sort of character. If you don't know who Harvey Weinstein is, he's a sicko. He's a disgusting predator. Or Dr. Batman would be like Trump. Feeling sorry about the wild, not baboon. It's about, you can tell it's feeling sorry about the whale. The whale was actually unlike baboon. Whale's just minding its own business. The whale's just minding its having its mind its own business. Whale's not the problem. It's just minding its own. It's just minding its own. It's just minding its own business. It's just minding its own business. You know. That's what whale is. Just minding its own business. It's just the whales are whale. Whales are just whales. But they're gentle giants in reality. It's not a southern right whale because it's got a dorsal fin. Southern right whales don't have dorsal fins. It hasn't got barnacles, so it's not a humpback. Must be a blue whale. Blue whales don't have barnacles. Most baleen whales don't have barnacles, you know. Most species of baleen whales don't have barnacles. Now, move on to the amusement park. Move on from whale. You know the font? It's like the bold, like rounded variant of Helvetica. Well, except the capital I is got it. Has it serifs to like it to avoid confusion. Which is the difference. It has the capital I's in its simplified form. It's like the one for the serif fonts. You can see that there. Well, the capital J doesn't have serif. It's just the way it's usual form. Capital I's like, you know. The capital I. Oh, this looks like a reference to Luigi's Mansion. But it's Dr. Baboon in it, not ghosts. There's no Boo or King Boo. Are we in just like Count Dracula's castle? Or Frankenstein monster? It's pronounced Frankenstein! Frederick Frankenstein. You know that movie from 1974? Young Frankenstein. It's a great movie. I like it's the Frankenstein part. It's got Gene Wilder in it. He's also played Willy Wonka from Willy Wonka Factory 1991. So I'm a bit off topic. Robots. But we'll find out later. We'll find out. But notice that the lowercase a instead of the capital A. That's the difference. Dr. Baboon. Really. I don't think Dr. Baboon would. This was not gonna work. I wouldn't do that if I were you, Dr. Baboon. If I were you, It's Vivi's choice, not yours, Dr. Baboon. If I were you, I'd let her go. I'd rather stay small, but where are you? Well, the angry video game nerd goes, I'd rather do blah 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 blah. I'd rather drink diarrhea. The angry video game nerd. You know, there's one in the frustration series of this game on the PS2 version of this game. When he got a game on zones, he was doing around, which is exactly the one from the angry video game.